Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to create YouTube thumbnail in 5 minutes. Go to Google and type Adobe Spark. Click Get Start Now. Sign in with your any social account. I'm using my Google account. Click Create a project, then Custom Size Graphics. Click Social Post and select YouTube Thumbnail, then click Next. You can design your own thumbnail, or simply choose any of the free templates. I'm using free template. Select the template and click Create. To change background, click on the image and click Replace to replace an image. You can change it to any solid color background as well. You can upload an image or select Find Free Photos. Adjust your image. Double-click the text to edit. You can delete the unnecessary items. To remove Adobe watermark, click on the watermark and click Remove Once. Now download the image. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe.